guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing unboxing. But first, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please do like and subscribe. Thank you. So guys, this gift comes from a co-YouTuber and she is my friend, my lovely friend. So she is Lilma. So she's also a YouTuber, and visit her channel and then please do subscribe. Thank you. So, brief story lang about us. So, nakilala ko siya dahil sa K1 US visa process namin. Nasa Saudi kasi siya noon, tapos ako nasa Hong Kong. So, parang relate kami sa process ng K1 visa. Hanggang nagchat-chat kami like always, like almost every day. Tapos, kasi same kami ng state dito sa US. At saka, nag-attend din siya ng wedding ko dati. Noon. See? So, nag-work siya sa Amazon. So, she sent me this gift. And let's open it. So, this is the gift. So, microphone siya, guys. Directional video camera microphone. So, it says Superb Sound for audio and video recording. So, yung gamit ko pala na pang video whenever I do my videos or vlog is just a Hawaii phone. Like P20 na Hawaii phone. Tapos, minsan, kapag nagba-vlog ako, naririnig ko yung hangin or yung hangin na galing sa aircon. Tapos hindi ko siya na-notice kung unless na nag-e-edit na ako. So parang kapagod na 'di ba siya ulitin. So napansin niya yung videos ko na I'm doing that kind of videos now. So ito talaga perfect sa mga videos ko. So this is the microphone, and I still don't know how it works, but I'll make it work. So thank you so much, Lil, sa gift. Super thankful. Paano ba siya open? Oh. So open natin, guys. So this is what's inside. And then, meron siyang ganito. Dati yung nakakita ako ng mga microphone sa mga vloggers, nagtataka ako, ano kaya yung ganito? I think ilalagay mo to around the microphone. I think so. And then, inside is the microphone. And then, there's also a manual. So, ano pa naman, weakness ko pa naman yung mga manual. Kasi kapag hindi ako nagbabasa ng mga manual, guys. So, open natin to. So, I think this is the microphone. And then, there's also, I think this will be attached to your phone. And the microphone. So, may dalawa siyang wires. And then, like, pang cover sa microphone. And then, the last one. Parang connector ata to siya. Hindi ko pa talaga alam paano siya i-set up, guys. Pero, I'll try my best. So, ito lang siya. So, ito yung pouch niya, super cute. At napaka-organized. Kapag yung tapos mo na siya gamitin, so, dito mo lang siya isilid. So, I'm gonna try to figure out how to set up this, and I'm gonna get back. And we're back. So, ang tagal ko talaga siya na-set up, guys, kasi first time ko magka-microphone. So, as in, yung pinalag ko na siya ng dalawa. Pinalag ko na yung dalawang plug. Tapos, nung nag-play ako ng video, wala siyang sound. So, akala ko hindi siya gumagana or something. Tapos, so, inulit ko na naman siya. Tapos, kasi dalawa kasi yung wire niya. So, nung first ko na, nung nag-plug na naman ako ulit, meron pala nakalagay sa kabilang wire na microphone, tapos phone. So, mali pala yung pagkakabit ko. So, mali na naman. And then, so, pinalag ko na naman siya. Tapos, nag-play ako ng video. Wala na naman siyang sound. So, I just realized na dapat pag i-play mo na yung video mo, kung gusto mo siyang i-replay, dapat tanggalin mo na yung yung cord or wire niya para malaman mo kung may sound. So, it works! And I think it's much better na yung audio kaysa yung phone lang yung gamit ko. So, I think so. So, thank you so much, Leo, for the Christmas gift, and super thankful and grateful for you. At saka, sobrang dami mo nang naitulong sa akin sa YouTube. Dahil sa YouTube, nagkasahod din ako ng konti. Syempre, kasi tambay pa ako no, kasi wala pa akong working permit. So, yung YouTube yung naging busy-busyhan mode ko. Yung hindi ako naboboring kasi gagawa ka ng content or you know, yung mga ganun na bagay. So, hindi na ako naboboring. Parang feeling ko nag-office na din ako. So, thank you so much! Asayan ko pa yung mga videos ko on my next videos. So, guys, please subscribe on her YouTube channel, Lil and Jeff. She do vlog or travel and then unboxing. So, visit her channel, guys. Thank you so much. So, I'm gonna see you on my next video. God bless and stay safe. Bye!